let's request documents from our clients. Now, all your clients can upload documents via messaging pane. They would simply send their message, type it in, check on the link, and then they could upload files here. They can also use the Easy Upload button. And again, just drag and drop their files as needed. Finally, they can go directly into the File Manager and upload their documents here as well. But let's show everyone how we do that in a client task. So we'll create a client task. Have some templates here, or you can create it manually. And let's request last month's bank statement. Once you select that, you'll notice that file is selected because we are obviously requesting a file from our client. You can also use AI Composer to help you compose the request. You can add links, images, and the rich text editor is here for you as well. We requested last month's bank statement. So here we can go ahead and select the folder. And these folders are set up previously. Or you can create a folder right from this window. We're going to say we want them to deposit this file into our statements folder for 2026. And then we choose Save in Folder. All you have to do from here is set your due date if you choose to, set an auto remind, who you're going to notify, and then send and notify. Now, when the client answers that task, they'll just choose Select Files, upload their file, and once they do that, you will get a notification that this has been answered. So you'll see the status changes as the client answers that. And you'll see the uploaded file link right here where you can click and go directly to that file.